Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino, behind the scenes sa Kapamilya Homecoming. Matapos ang ilang araw na Kapamilya Homecoming, ay sina Kim Chiu na nga at Mr. Paolo Avellino, ang sumabak at napanood ng ating mga kapamilya ngayong hapon. Maging si Ma'am Regine Velasquez at ang bestie ni Kim na si Mr. Darren Espanto, ay kabilang din sa nag-perform at naghandog ng kanilang awitin. Hindi rin nakalimutan ni Kim na mag-imbita sa kanilang upcoming movie ni Mr. Paolo Avellino.
Good afternoon, everyone. I heard you had shows. I want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I know part of this success is because of you guys. From Linglang to What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, napakaraming intrusion. So I want to thank everyone for your support, and I hope we get the same support for our upcoming movie. This secret muna.
Malapit na po, malapit na. So, ayun, under Star Cinema, my love will make you disappear. I hope you get the support. Thank you so much, everybody. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, Star Shows. I want to